Yes, it was a break-even day, but technically it's a proof that you can climb yourself out of the hole even when technical difficulties occur. Guys, this was a very, very difficult day, for me at least. And, you know, I felt everything, including FOMO, fear, everything, every kind of fear and frustration came up today. And we also had technical issues, so stay tuned because this is interesting. So started the day on the live stream, called out a beautiful, we called this one out in the London session on Nasdaq, a beautiful long entry on NQ. It took actually around 90 minutes to reach the target, but it was a 2R, so it was a very beautiful trade. And then I found another opportunity right here. It was already in the New York kill zone, so I wanted to enter here. Maybe, so I thought that maybe before the jobless claims comes out, I should be reaching the target, which was actually, so the plan was something like this, of course, but it started to consolidate. So I decided that it was after 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I didn't really want to hold this one, so I closed it at break even. So this was a break even trade. It's a good thing I closed it because it would have reached my stop loss. But before I go further with the NQ, let's go to the Russell. Before the stream started, I already entered, no, sorry, this was on stream. Oh yeah, I called also this one on stream. Ended up with a loss. It was technically perfect. I mean, the entry was good. Everything was lining up to the direction I was aiming for. I was looking for a buy side up here at 28 on the Russell. But anyway, it was a fast one. Got me out real quick. But after the stream, I saw an opportunity again. The same happened yesterday. Went short, took me out, went short again. Now this was a little bit unnecessary. That was maybe a little bit of over trading. Took another short, took me out again. But what happened after this is a little bit of a miracle. Took a short here after the market, after the news event. I found a small fair value gap here. So I took a short there, but well, I got cold feet. I was a chicken. So this was not a 1 to 2 risk to reward. It was like a 1 to 1.5 or something. I closed it manually, so I wrote 1R because of commissions and everything. So this was around the 1R trade. I got cold feet and I got scared. I love the whole situation. But the interesting thing that started to happen was after the 9:30 market open, and partially I was saved, but not I thought that I'm saved, but not really, because I wanted to enter a short here on this fair value gap. I thought we're gonna drop down to the sell side at 19.99. So I pushed the market entry here, and I'm not sure if it was Quant Tower or the Rhythmic Trader or whatever, but none of the prop firm accounts were reacting. So it wasn't really showing anything. So I thought that, okay, it was already here, up here at 2008. So I thought that, all right, it didn't put me in the trade, so no worries. But then suddenly I saw that the trade was actually opened up in the account window, but it was already in drawdown. So I immediately put a stop loss here because I couldn't close it, and it just kept going up and up. And I was like, what the hell is going on? I was frustrated. I was mad. So anyway, restarted Quant Tower and did everything. I even shut down the stream. You can check it in the New York session. I had to shut down the stream. If I could have, I would have yelled. I was so mad and frustrated. So I closed everything, and I was down like pretty bad. I was down like almost at least 1R added to the previous losses. So this was causing me a huge frustration, this situation with the connection issue. And actually I can show you, I was having this latency, data latency, like this is not even the highest. It says 17,000 milliseconds. I had like 42 and 50,000 milliseconds. So the trades were definitely all over the place, and I just couldn't do anything. So let me know in the comments, guys, if this thing occurs. What should you do? Because what should I do? Because I contacted support with my funded futures, with Apex, everything, and everyone said it's not their problem. Basically, that's what they said. I should be contacting Quantower. By the way, I contacted Quantower and they said nothing as well. So I don't know what the hell is this. Anyway, I had data issue. My internet is perfect. It was perfect. I checked everything. I checked my other computer. I checked my speed test. Everything was perfect. Anyway, I was frustrated. So after that, I tried one more short here. Ended up with a stop loss. Right. and after that, I was so frustrated. I did not enter this one because I'm already totally over this one emotionally and everything. So let me just show you the Nasdaq. This was after the market opened. This is where anyway, let's just leave it that. I entered the long here, ended up a stop loss again, and so I was waiting for my entry on this fair value gap here. Finally it entered, but what I did is I closed it manually. The reason why I closed it is because I was frustrated like hell. And so what I did here in this area, I was scalping with micros. So let's get to the point, guys. I'm going to show you how the accounts are doing. This is the Bulenox account. I started the day with $638, managed to end the day with $674, which gives me $17 of profit, which is better than nothing. But the My Funded Futures account was suffering basically from all the data connection issues and everything. So the My Funded Futures account is down $20. So I couldn't do anything with this. I was down to below 600 something, 580 or 90. So I hate when I have to do this, but I scalped my way back. Anyway, so it's still okay. The Apex account is a little bit up. It's up like, no, sorry. The Bulenox account was, yeah, I wrote it backwards. The Apex account is up $17 and the Bulenox account is up $36. So overall, including the My Funded Futures account, I am up $33. Yes, but hey, $33. Technically, I'm considering this day a break-even day. It's not a loss day, despite the fact that the My Funded Futures account is lower than yesterday. I don't care. I'm still a little bit frustrated and mad because of the connection issue. Let me know in the comments, you guys, if you had anything like that. What can we do to solve the issue? Should I write another email to Quantower? I don't know what to do with this, because what if next time happens something like this? I don't know. I know I had similar thing in Ninja Trader too. So whose fault is this? Is this Rhythmic Trader, Quantower? What is happening? I don't know. I'm not a computer geek, so anyway. Still, overall, break even, technically up $33 across the evals. The Copytrader was also lagging because of the connection issues. So the biggest suffer that happened was in the My Funded Futures account. But now I am feeling FOMO that I missed this trade completely, because I had my entry and I exited somewhere here, and as you can see, it's going for the 18K. Very, very frustrated, so I decided to stop for the day. Tomorrow is Friday. I'm not even sure how I'm going to do Friday. Maybe I'm going to lower my risk as much as I can, because I like to trade. But I'm definitely frustrated. I also had a signal on the Russell. I did not take this, and I did not take this one, because I'm super tired, guys. I'm super tired. I was trading all day. I don't even know how many trades I took. I mean, excluding the scalps. I did like 1, 2, 3 trades on the Nasdaq officially. This was a data error. 3 trades. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, 5 trades on Russell. So that makes 8 trades, 8 entries, and I made it to break even. But guys, this was a frustrating day. So super tired and frustrated because of this here. Anyway, it happens. You have to deal with this. This is part of trading. I am still happy and I'm very, very grateful for this lesson. So I'm going to learn from it. And by the way, I'm not sure when are you watching this video, but as of today, February 22, there is a 90% sale on Apex. Use my code up there. Last time they did it, it was months ago. So use the Apex. It's the best upfront cost account that you can get in the whole platform industry. Go for it and grab your accounts. I think you can still grab it on Friday or Saturday. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do some updates. I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow as well in London, but use the codes, get your discounts. And by the way, check out my trading system at pip.ninja. You won't regret it. It's a $49 mini course, but you get lifetime access to Discord where we share the setups, entries. Gonna be doing some streams also for Discord members. Anyway, go check it out, the Discord membership as well. See you guys on the live streams, and thanks for watching. Please drop your comments and like the video. Bye.